Teacher. Good morning, class. Today we are going on a special trip around the world. Students. Yay, teacher. First, look over there. Do you see the waterfall? Student 1. Wow, the water is falling from a high rock. It looks beautiful, teacher. And behind the waterfall, there is a tall mountain. Student 2. I want to climb the mountain one day. Teacher. Now we are walking beside a river. Student 3. The river is clean. I can see fish swimming. Teacher. Next, let's ride a boat along the canal. Student 4. People live in houses near the canal. Their boats are like cars. Teacher. Suddenly, look. The land has changed. We are in a desert now. Student 1. It is very hot. I see sand and a cactus. Teacher. Let's move to a cooler place. Welcome to the forest. Student 2. There are tall trees and birds singing. I love the forest, teacher. And now, we arrive at an island. Student 3. This island is small and surrounded by water. Teacher. Just next to it, there is a beach. Student 4. I want to play in the sand and build a sandcastle. Teacher. Finally, look at the ocean. Students. The ocean is huge. The waves are strong. Teacher. That ends our trip. What did you learn today? Students. We learned about waterfall, mountain, river, canal, desert, forest, island, beach, and ocean.